my presentation on solid waste management activities which are being implemented in Bobble municipality, sir. Firstly, the solid waste management, currently our population of the Bobble municipality 56,000 population, covering with 14,437 households, sir. Solid waste generation capacity is 20.5 metric tons per day.
आप ये स्लाइड चेंज करते रहिए, नेक्स्ट स्लाइड पे आ जाइए.
Sir, if you don't mind, sir, I don't know Hindi, sir. Sir, I could not able to understand.
Kindly keep changing the slides. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
And make it in the presentation mode. You come here where the 90% is written. No, near that. Come here.
Sir.
Bring the cursor here.
Okay, sir.
Make it presentation mode.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. మన presentation అవుతుంది కదా, slide open అవుతుంది కదా.
Okay, you go ahead, no problem. Go ahead. With this you can go ahead. Chalo.
Okay, sir. Sir, our population is 56,871, sir.
Ji.
Out of 20 tons, 8.4 ton metric tons of garbage is biodegradable, and the garbage is non-biodegradable, sir.
Ji.
Sir, in order to implement the municipal solid waste management rules effectively, segregation and collection, transportation, processing, and sale of the biodegradable and inorganic material is mandatory to implement the municipal solid waste scientifically, sir. Earlier, next telephone. In order to implement the plastic waste, so first the plastic generation should be decreased. If the for which we have done regular plastic awareness camps at the town level. What's noteworthy is that without the cheap alternative provision material, such drives have failed across the country, but Bobble took meticulous steps to provide alternative bags to shopkeepers. And finally, the campaign was for 30 days. Then finally, we imposed penalties. So if anyone with plastic found any vendor with plastic stock, the penalty would be swift by the municipal authority, like 5,000, 4,000, and irrespective of the micron, we have passed a resolution that all the plastic cover and single plastic usage material should be banned in the city, for which we worked a lot. Finally, we got achieved in the year of 2014. So now there was earlier there was no plastic. Now the operation is being continued. Now there is no plastic at all. Next slide, sir. So these are the solid waste management category. So as far as the municipal solid waste, dry waste and wet waste is concerned, the municipality is being collected with our own staff, sir. And the rest of the biomedical waste is concerned, the biomedical waste which is produced from the hospital is being collected by the Mardi agency. That is a private agency for their at own sources, sir. Next one, sir. This is the council resolution in April 2000, provisional disposal of organic. Already I have told, I have discussed about it, the disposal of packing materials, sir. Next one. These are the activities, whatever we have implemented on particularly plastic carry bags and its alternatives, and as well as its penalty provisions, sir. We have conducted several meetings, and nearly about 270 public awareness meetings were conducted by the municipality, sir, along with school children, official staff, everything, sir. Now there is no plastic covers, and all the plastic covers, single-use plastic material endangered in the Boboli municipality, sir. Even water, such package sachet water also. Next one, sir. These are the public awareness camps on plastic waste, and with the help of CRPC, it's one kind of cultural activity, sir. How the plastic is going to be effective on human and on livestock also, in particularly related to water contamination, and how the plastic pollution is going to be declined in the environment. So these are all cultural activities which were conducted by the municipality, sir. Next one, sir. Sir, next one, sir. Next slide, sir. So any plastic material or in any town, so before we implement the strict rules, provision of the rules, we should introduce alternatives for in the place of plastics, sir. Otherwise it is not so easy to implement in the plastic waste management rules as per the standards from the Supreme Court CPCB guidelines, sir. So for which we introduced all this kind of reusable bags, sir. Next one, sir. This is the in public mutton shops also we have introduced leaves, sir, instead of the plastic material. Now it is being continued, sir. These are the plastic sachet, water sachets, sir. This one also a major sanitation problem, for which we have done this kind of sachets also, sir. So before implementing the plastic water sachet prohibition, we have introduced alternative water supply for the general publics in the around the town, sir. These are the public water booths, sir. It was placed at various locations, sir. So now it is being also continued, sir, to eradicate the water problem, sir. This is the more, it has been written in the Telugu, sir. That is more from more market, sir. So what they have written themselves only. So there is no plastic cover in Boboli municipality. So please bring your bag. It is a more market, sir, supermarket, multinational company. But they have written there itself stating that there is no plastic in Boboli. Please cooperate with us. Please bring your own plastic carry bags. That has been written by themselves only, sir. Next one, sir. So these are the imposing of fines, sir. Next, the news came into Indian Express, sir, that stated that Boboli first town go to plastic free town, sir. The news was in Indian Express, sir. Next one, sir. If distribution, this one is the door-to-door campaign collection, sir. It is only the bins placed at every shop, sir. There are 1,070 commercial establishments are there in Boboli municipality, sir. Sir, everyone they keep their dustbin in front of the shops. If anyone found or if anyone not found with the dustbin, the penalty is imposed, and the waste also is dumped in front of the shops, sir. If those who are not cooperating in the municipality, as in the picture shown, sir. Next slide, sir. Sir, next slide, sir. Next slide. Sir, next slide, sir. Next slide. Next slide, sir. Sir, next slide, sir. Sir, am I audible, sir?
You are very much.
Sir. Okay, sir. Sir, in order to implement the municipal solid waste collection and transportation, tools have to be given for the public health workers, sir. Without tools, the collection is not that much of quantity. We don't expect, sir, so that we have provided all the personal protective equipment, sir. Next one, sir. Next slide, sir. These are the RTMS new system for door-to-door waste collection, sir. For They are all protective, personal protective wear, sir, what we have provided for the public health workers, sir. Sir, it is a RTMS tool, radio frequency identification monitoring tool, which is a software tool for effectively implementation of solid waste collection and transportation. It has been introduced by the government of Andhra Pradesh, sir. Then next one, sir. Next slide, sir. Sir, this one is real-time monitoring sanitation for solid waste, sir. How the system works out, sir? Sir, that one is a RFID scanner, sir. GPS tracker for vehicle payment of transportation and 1 to 200 gate points at micro level, sir. Sir, that.
Please hurry up. You have got limited time because you have got 33 slides. All the slides cannot be accommodated. Kindly run it through quickly.
Sir, through a RTMS system, we can able to identify the work, whether the worker has touched the household regularly or not. We can able to identify through the system, sir, through the app, sir. So it is a software tool, sir, for effectively implementation of collection and transportation, sir. Next one, sir. This one major gaps. Sir, next slide, sir. 23 slides, sir. 23 slides, sir. Sir,
Yeah, go ahead.
Sir, we have we developed windrow composting and biogas generators and hydraulic baling system and biocomposting method and vermicomposting methods are in all the way for effective implementation of the municipal solid waste management tools. Sir, meanwhile, the Center for Science and Environment, sir, it is moral ethics, sir. Sir, simply in urban-related women spoiling the environment and earlier the women used to fetch the water in steel containers. Now they are using, instead of steel container, they are using plastic material, sir. It is major pollution issue, sir, and it is getting dumped in the water bodies and public areas, sir. These are all moral ethics, sir. List of awards. These are all. Swachh Bharat Award by the Honorable Chief Minister of AP, sir. Sir, our municipality has got selected in the CSE, sir, Center for Science and Environment, sir. And we have received award at New Delhi, sir, on effective use of bland plastic, sir. Moral ethics, sir. Earth is like a bed. If you contaminate your bed, on someday you will die and suffocate on your own bed, sir. Sir, this is a moral ethics, sir. Next one. Next one, sir. Man master of nature, not by force, but by understanding it, sir. Thank you for your kind attention, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Very nice, Mr. Someshwar. Nice presentation. And keep doing the good work which you have been doing. But my only request is that in future, when you make a presentation for 15 minutes, so you don't bring 33 slides. Kindly just restrain up to 10 slides only, okay?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Panda sir.
Sir, Someshwar Saab, I think I belong to incidentally to your area, as I told you. And in our area, especially Vizianagaram, Srikakulam, the municipalities are in a very, very bad situation so far as waste management and pollution is concerned. But this is the exception. Bobbili is, I'm good to see that something really happening in Bobbili, which is bringing, line of departure from the erstwhile situations. And I have seen the places like in Srikakulam and elsewhere, what they are doing, they are dumping the waste of these cities and towns and villages into the existing water tanks. So that is even more hazardous because not only they are dumping the waste in the existing water tanks, which is a water body, it is to be protected, but instead they are dumping and making it a flat. So this has happened in Ichapuram, I've seen. So how far is your dumping yard from your town? So number two is that you see, you are taking up from the Bobbili only. How is the situation in the rural villages? Because the same situation in the small, big villages take place. Can you explain that?
Yes, sir, I can explain, sir. Sir, my solid waste processing is 6 kilometers away from the Bobbili municipality, sir. 6 kilometers far away from the Bobbili municipality, sir.
Mhm.
Sir, there we established with 2.7 crores, sir, all the scientific process procedure methods, sir, which is to be followed as per the guidelines in the mentioned in the 2000 municipal MSWM rules 2016, sir.
Mhm.
So every facility is available at the processing unit, sir.
Yeah.
Sir,
I
in
hope-
rural, I observed in the rural area. Meanwhile, the Panchayat Raj department has also established waste to compost plants at large scale, sir. Yes, in some panchayats, sir, it is happening, sir. In some places, there are lagging behind, sir. Sir, I found, sir.
So I hope your initiatives are also recognized and adopted in other place, replicated in other similar towns. And you are a good job. Keep it going, as Bansal Sahab says. Keep it up. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. Vijay, to you.